Welcome back to our SQL learning session. Today we'll be talking about merging from database for developers. To get started, let's start with executing prerequisite SQL for this session. I'm running SQL now. It's running. It's taking some time. Now it's completed. Now let's start going through the table of content. In this, there are around 11 modules, and today we'll be going through first 3 to 4 modules for our session because we want to keep under 10 minutes. That's why we'll be focusing on 3 to 4 modules for our session. Now, let me set up something here. Let's start with the introduction. This tutorial will show you how to do update or insert logic in one statement using merge. It uses two tables. Select from purchase bricks and select from bricks for sale. Now let's run these two statements. For the purchase bricks doesn't have any data, while bricks for sale has some data. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. Color, shape, and price are 3 columns. Red, blue, and green are 3 rows in this table for color. Then we'll move to second module, insert then update or update then insert. When adding rows to a table, sometimes you want to do insert if not exist, update if the exists logic, also known as upsert. Writing this statement, a separate insert update statement, is cumbersome. For example, say you want to upsert a blue pyramid into a table of purchased bricks. If it exists, you want to change its price, and if it doesn't, you want to add it. We can do this using following code block. The attribute SQL row count returns number of rows affected by the last statement. You can do this to see if the object changed any rows. If this returns 0, it did nothing. So rows doesn't exist and you need to insert it. Now let's run this SQL statement here. This is a PLSQL block starting with declare block where we declare 3 variables: L color, L shape, and L price, varchar, and number, blue, pyramid, and 9. Begin. Now we begin. We begin by update price purchase bricks set. Will purchase brick price is equal to L price, where if you find the PB color equal to L color and PB shape is equal to L shape. When we run this statement, if it doesn't impact any rows, then we'll insert it to the purchase bricks, where insert into purchase bricks values L color, L shape, L price. End it. And we'll select from purchase bricks. Let's see what we get. Invalid statement. Now we have inserted blue pyramid in the purchase bricks because there was no blue pyramids in the purchase bricks table. Purchase bricks was empty before this code. So the update was wasted effort. It would have been better to do the insert first. You can do this by flipping the statement around. And instead of checking if a SQL row count is zero, we can do it by trapping a unique key violation. Here, we'll do next code. As we did before, we'll declare a new row where L color, L shape, and L price are new values for a table. Now we begin by inserting the purchase bricks, the L color, L shape, L price. If there's exception on the index, then we'll update it by setting purchase brick price to L price. Whenever there is a existing rows which are PB color is equal to L color, PB shape is equal to L shape. Then we'll select from purchase bricks. Let's see what we get. Now we have inserted a row in purchase bricks, but Cove added the same brick. You need to update its price. So insert was a waste of time here. When writing when writing when writing when writing upserts, in general it's hard to know whether insert or update is most likely. You can spend a lot of time figuring this out. Luckily, there's a better way: merge. Merging new values. Merging in one statement that allows you to either insert or update as needed. To use it, you need to state how values in a target table relate to those in a source table in join clause. Then add rows in the when not matched clause, and then update when using matched. The target table is the one that you will add or change rows of. Merge the source data into this. The source has to be a table, but remember, a query returns a table. So you can select the values you want to upsert. So you can merge a blue cube costing 15.95 by querying the values like so. Select blue color, cube shape, 15.95 price from dual. You then need to link this value to your rows in target. Each source row should each link to a one must row in a target table. The primary key of purchase bricks is the color and shape. So you can guarantee this by joining these columns. On PV color, BFS color, purchase bricks equal to BFS, brick for cell dot shape. You can define what to do. Add or change in merge match decision. When matched, this fires for each row in a source that links to a row in a target. So if there's a blue cube in a target table, you can change its price like here. When matched, then update set price purchase bricks dot price equal to brick for sell price. When not matched, each row in a source that doesn't match on a target, when not matched, clause fires. Here, you state values you would like to insert into target for which columns. If the source and target tables have same column names, you must alias the columns in a values clause. When not matched, then insert PB color, PB shape, PB price, values, BFS color, BFS shape, BFS price. Putting together this following statements to merge a blue cube. Here, it starts with merge into PB purchase bricks using source data. That is, select blue color, cube shape, 15.95 price from dual. It gives a table. Then this you use as a brick for sale. Then it is matched on PB color and shape from both tables. Now, when not matched, it will insert the PB color. It will insert into purchase bricks, column name, color, shape, and price, the values from brick for sale color, brick for sale shape, and brick for sale price. When matched, it would update the purchase brick price by brick for sale price. Then we'll select from purchase bricks. Now, two rows are inserted into Orchid bricks. The one additional row that was inserted is cube, blue cube. So, what we learned today? Let's summarize what we learned today. We learned today about using merging. There are two ways to merge: by manually using a cumbersome code where we declare a PLSQL block by declaring a value we want to insert, and then we do some PLSQL block where we update. If the SQL count is, we'll try to update it, and if the count is 0, then we'll try to insert it. And we also can do other way around. First of all, we'll try to insert it, and if we find some if we get a exception in the primary index, then we'll update it. These both two ways are cumbersome. And the third way is to use the merge statement provided by SQL, which allows us to merge two tables based upon certain condition, and also allows us to update the insert as needed. So that's all for today. I'll see you next learning session. Thank you so much.